Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So, today's card is going to be using a stamp set I wish I have used more of, and I know I will be trying to in future, and that's the Dandelion Wishes stamp set. It's super pretty with these beautiful dandelion stamps, as well as these adorable sentiments which are just so funky with their typography. So we will be making this card today, which is a scallop circle card, which is just adorable. So shall we get started? So to start with, I have run through a piece of smoky slate through the Big Shot with a scallop circle die from the Layering Circles framelits, and in that set you get all the circles used and the scallop circles used even, and I think it's just perfect. And as you can see, all I've done is I've left a gap along with folded line with the frame and run it through, and it's just left the card as it is. So obviously that's fine as it is, however I want a full scallop, so what I've done is I've got another piece of smoky slate, and that's just going to sit on top like so. However, learning from my errors on this card, so we don't have all this twine in the background, I'm going to pop this up onto dimensionals after we've added some nature's twine. So we can do that, I'm going to wrap this round, and because it's quite fiddly, I'm going to bring in some cheap... No, I need to stamp. I don't need to stamp anything. I need to put this onto the card first. Sorry guys. So let's put this on, and this is a piece of 6x6 designer series paper, and that's also in smoky slate. So now that's on, we can do the nature's twine. And all I'm going to do is quickly secure one end down with a little bit of washi tape. I can't, what's wrong with me? I keep forgetting the name of things. Okay, and all I'm going to do then is just wrap it round like so, creating this overhatched effect. And I'm using the scallops just to help with that, and just to attach that down I'm going to get another piece of washi tape. I would not use your nice washi tape, just out of principle, because it's going to all be hidden away anyway. So there's that. So when we put that on to the card with dimensionals, you're not going to see the twine like you can here. So next, let's pop that up onto the base like so. And I'm just going to double the dimensionals up, just because of how thick the twine is and the crossover. I don't want it to be bulging through the top of the card later on. So once that's done, just line it up, remembering the top of the card and where that is. Like so. So now we're going to do some stamping. That's the hard bit done. So I'm going to bring in a small circle cut in Whisper White, and I'm going to bring in some crushed curry ink. So taking one of the largest stamps from that set, as you can see here, I'm just going to ink the main body up and position that over the top. like so. And while we've got the crushed curry, we're going to take another piece of Whisper White, also cut in a larger circle, and the little seed floaty things, and just stamp them also in this ink to sit on the inside of a card, just so you have somewhere to write and it gives the card a little something extra. So putting the ink away, we now need to stamp our sentiments, and I've chose the Sending You Well Wishes, and that's going to be stamped in Blackberry Bliss, just so it coordinates with that twine. And that goes over the top of this flower. Like so. Super easy, anybody can do it. So make sure you're giving this card a go at home. So I'm going to stick that on the inside, like so. And then I'm going to pop this up onto more dimensionals. And that was close, I could have went into the ink. And that's just going to sit on top of the card, as you can see. So to finish the card off, I'm bringing in the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls, and I'm just going to grab some of the yellow ones. This is when I should have been more prepared and got my take a pic tool ready. Just pop them down. And as and where you like. Just going to pop a fourth one on. Like so. And there you have today's card. I hope you liked it. While you're here, why don't you pop into the description bar below, where you can see a full list of products used in today's card, as well as where to purchase them. And while you're there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share to your social media so everyone can see how quick and easy it is to make such a cute card like this. I will see you around. Bye guys.